Hello, welcome to Rough Diamond Recipes. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today's recipe is Mushroom Stroganoff. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. Okay, the first thing we do is heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. When it's hot, add the onions and fry until the onions just start to soften. Then it's time to add the garlic and continue to fry off. Then after a minute or two, it's time to add the paprika and mix in. When this is done, it's time to add the star of the show, the mushrooms. Simply add to the pan and give a thorough mix into the paprika and onion mixture. And continue to fry on a high heat for 3 or 4 minutes, stirring continually. Next it's time to add salt and pepper to taste, followed by the stock of your choice. We're actually using beef stock, but you can use any stock you like. And follow this with a tablespoon of Worcester sauce and mix in. Allow it to cook off for a further 3 or 4 minutes before adding the chopped parsley. Then continue to cook off for a further 3 or 4 minutes till the sauce starts to thicken. Then turn the heat off, which is quite important. Add the sour cream and mix through. If you don't remove from the heat while mixing the sour cream in, it could split, and that would simply never do. And when the sour cream is fully mixed in, it's time to serve. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. But at the moment it's 30 degrees in the shade, the sun's in the garden, there's a cold bottle of cider in the fridge with my name on it, so I'm out of here. So bye for now.